Hi everyone, I'm Nathan. Today I'm going to show you how to play videos on an LED screen using a TV controller. Then we need to prepare a USB cable. Then connect the TV controller to our laptop. Now we need to click here to open the Viplex software. Next we click on Solutions. Click New, then Regular Screen. Here, you can change the name of your solution. This is the actual resolution of your LED screen. You can also change this here. Then click OK. When adding media, you can click on Mix Media. Mix Media means it can publish both videos and images. And here is where you select your media folder. I'm selecting the desktop here. Then, on the desktop, there's a folder with the media. I'll select a file to publish. The next step is to tick this controller and click Publish. Right, that's how you publish videos with the TV controller. That's all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you all.